Hi viewers, welcome back. In today's management class, we are going to talk about the levels of management. Okay, so when we come to the management part, as said earlier, management is like you are going to manage the full organization. So when you have an organization, you will have management at different levels. Okay, so usually you will have three levels of management. One is the top level management, then we have the middle level management and the low level management. Okay, so management, the top level management, they are the top level people, like whom where we are the common public or the low level workers, they are not in contact at all. Okay, so they don't know who are these top level managerial level people. Okay, so they are the board of directors. Okay, so you will have the board of directors, so who are going to like take the sole responsibility of controlling the organization. So you will have board of directors who are going to have a great wide knowledge, like what is supposed to be done, what they are going to invest, what they are going to take, what is the profit, what is the quality, all these things these people are going to think and decide. They are the formulatory members, they are the board of directors. And then we have the chairperson. So usually you will have the head, so that is like chairperson who is controlling the board of directors. And then we have the chief executive. So chief executive is the person who is in contact with the middle level management. Okay, so these are the people in the top level management. So you will have your board of directors, then you have the chairperson, then we have the chief executive. So these are the people who are in the top level management. Then when we come to the middle level management, okay, so when you are thinking about the job of the top level management people, what is their job? They are just going to plan and plan and plan. Okay, so only is a planning area. So they are going to tell what has to be done, how it has to be done, only that. Okay, so planning will be done by the top level management people, and whatever their plan, that is going to be implemented by the other two areas, that is your middle level and the low level management level. Okay, so middle level management, we have the department heads. So now for an example, I will tell you department head in the sense, when you take an hospital, okay, you will have different departments. So department of cardiothoracic department, you have your urinary department, your genitourinary department, gastroenterology department, the integumentary, that is your skin department, your maternity department. You have lots of departments. So you will have department heads. Those heads are the HODs. So they are the head of the department people. They come under middle level management. And then we have the division heads. So for an example, if we are talking about a particular department, that is like if you think about cancer department, okay, so in this particular cancer department, we are going to talk about the different divisional heads. The divisional heads are like radiation division will be there, chemotherapy division will be there, surgery unit will be there, and like the investigation or your like stem cell therapy department will be there. So all these divisional heads will be there. So you will take all these people also in this middle level management area. And then we have the sectional heads. Okay, in that department you will have different sections. Okay, so now you just remember, if it is your chemotherapy department, again this chemotherapy will vary according to the department. Say you are treating a cancer patient, and when you treat a cancer patient, you have different areas, that is your chemo, radiation, surgery, like that you go. And when you take a chemo department, in that you will have different type of chemos present. Okay, so that is like when you are worried about the drug administration area, the drug planning area, when there is your when you have side effects at that time, all these areas, so you will have different divisions in these areas, okay. So these divisional heads are also in this middle level management. So in middle level management, we have 3 areas: the upper middle, middle and the lower middle. In upper middle, they are involved only in planning, okay. So they are going to tell you how a job has to be performed. The upper level, again they will have a job description and they will have a plan what has to be done, okay. So that is in the upper middle. Then we have middle people are the people who are going to like convey the information from the upper middle to the lower middle, okay. So they are going to give an activating or the directing area. And then we have the lower middle people. They are the people who are in direct contact with the employees. They are going to deal with the employees. They are going to tell what they are supposed to do. So it is the supervisory level. So from the supervisory level, the top level of the supervisory level, okay. So after this lower middle people, this supervisory level people, they come, okay. So here in your middle level, you have your upper middle and the lower middle people. And then when we come to the supervisory people, they are the people who are in direct contact with the employees, okay. So in the supervisory level, we have your senior supervisors, okay. So again the senior supervisors who are going to control the intermediate supervisor and the frontline supervisor. Intermediate supervisors are the mediators between the senior supervisors and the frontline supervisors. These frontline supervisors are the people who are in direct contact with the employees, okay. So I will just tell you an example. So senior supervisors are your grade 1 matons, okay. The grade 1 maton, like who are in the senior supervisory level, okay. And then comes the intermediate supervisors are the grade 2 matons, okay. They are in the next level, that is like they communicate with the senior supervisors and with the junior supervisors. The junior supervisors are the ward in charges or the floor in charges, the frontline supervisors, okay. They are the floor in charges. They are going to deal with the employees, that is the staff nurses directly. So you are able to understand. So grade 1 supervisors, grade 2 supervisors, then the floor supervisors. So like that you have to have a identification, or your remembrance has to be like this. So when you have your level of management, you have 3 levels: the top level management, middle level management and the low level management. So when you have your top level management, you have your deciding authority people, okay. You have board of directors, you have chairperson, you have members for planning. And then comes the middle level people who are in contact with the top level and the low level management, okay. So they are going to organize or plan, okay. In your middle level management, you have your upper middle and lower middle organization area. In this lower middle people who are in contact with your supervisory level or the low level people. So supervisory level people are the areas like where you have your senior supervisors, intermediate supervisors, front level supervisors. So in this, like it is just for an example, I said like nursing area where it is very easy for you to understand, okay. So likewise you have to remember these 3 levels of management areas, okay. Hope you understood the class. I will come with the new topic in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.